Most people lead generation strategies are completely backwards. They do something that doesn't work, and their only solution is they do more of that. Let me know if this is sounding familiar. You call 100 businesses, and your only solution is, even when you just hit gatekeepers and nobody answering the phones, and you cannot pitch the decision makers to call more businesses, or when you're sending out 100 emails and nobody answering, your only solution is sending more emails. It's actually funny. I remember when I was working and I had like a 40-minute lunch break, and I was calling people in the lunch break after I have ate my lunch for 15 minutes, and I was calling in my car without any script, just looking for people on Google My Business, and I would do this before and after work too. And I was even paying these lead softwares monthly high fees because I didn't know that you can actually buy these leads with a one-time fee forever, or with an app which I will show you in a bit, where you can buy these lead scraping softwares with a one-time fee. And I got to a point where I actually felt, is the market too saturated, or is nobody want to buy my services? And after that, I have researched how to actually get quality leads and how you can get in front of the right people. So I will show you in a bit how to actually find leads who answer your calls. All right, this is how I would actually do it back in the days when I was searching up roofers in Las Vegas, and I was going through basically the Google My Business profiles and trying to find companies who did not have so many reviews or websites, and I had to like go back in a lot of pages to actually find some leads that I can reach out to, because in the first pages you get companies who are well established and they have a lot of reviews, and also they have websites. And after that, I have actually found this Google Maps extractor, which is a free tool where you basically can get 1000 leads per month for free. And it is really great. And you are going to get these kind of leads in this format, where it is going to show you where these leads are coming from. You are going to get them with a name, full address, categories, phone, website, and how many reviews they are getting. It is really just an awesome way to start out, because you actually can search how many reviews these companies are having in order. And yeah, check out this website. Also, there is this site Instant Data Scraper, which is completely free, and it is a bit more manual work, but you can collect as many leads as you want per month for free. It is basically a Chrome extension that you need to add to your browser, and yeah, you can basically try to use it. So it's not working for some reason at the moment, but yeah, here it is. As you can see, I have scraped some leads from YouTube, and yeah, I was just doing some research for my content. And also, if you scrape these leads out from these websites, you have this clear out phone, which is really just a great way to validate the phone numbers. And this way you basically can exclude the toll-free numbers and also the numbers which are not mobile phones. And you don't have to talk to gatekeepers, because the worst thing you can do when cold calling is basically talking to not decision makers, talking to gatekeepers. That is the worst worst way you can spend your time. And yeah, this clear out phone is also a paid version, but it is actually like $20 to get 5,000 credits, which is really great. It takes a lot of time to actually call 5,000 businesses. You would ask that, yeah, I have these solutions, but I want like a much better or more efficient way to actually sort leads. I don't want to take my own time, and I don't want to like do it manually. You have a tool which is called Outscraper, where you basically can pay for leads, and it is just so much better than the two ones before. If you have some budget, you can basically go to services, and you have this Google Maps scraper. Let it load. Yeah, you have this Google. Wait, let me log in. Let me show you who it is actually working. Yeah, it logged in. You actually see that I have extracted 10,000 businesses for $30, which is just absolutely great. And you can search by brands, or you can search by types, and yeah, it is like phone number enricher, email and contact scraper. It has a review scraper on Google, on Amazon, and yeah, like a lot of other services, not just scraping Google Maps, as you can see, but I have scraped Google Maps with it. Actually, you can actually use promotion codes, and you will see the tasks here and the integrations which you can integrate it into other softwares as well. Here it is. You can see the Google Maps data scraper, where I usually just, let's go with like doctor, and you can search for United States. You can here put in like Florida or Las Vegas or Arizona, or any state that you want, and you can add extra packages like contact and leads, enrichment, email address verifier, company insights, if you want to personalize like a cold email for companies. You just press get data with it, and you actually get these leads. It is very easy. I've just told you that it is $30 for like 10,000 leads. And there is this other tool, Lead Swift also, which is really great. As you can see, it has like a $20 package per month, and it can include leads, email rotation, contacts, exports, data points, list uploads. It is also like a paid version. It is finding every local business. It is enriching deep data, and it is basically launching personalized outreach to companies. So yeah, there are really a lot of ways, even for free and even for paid versions. You can see some big names here. This is Lead Gen, or Jordan Platten, who actually uses these tools. You could say that, Attila, I totally understand what you say, but I don't want to pay for these softwares for months, and I want to pay for them one time. Show me something that actually gives me a lifetime access. There is a tool, there is an app called AppSumo, where you go to the website, and you search for leads or any kind of service that you actually need. And as you can see, it is showing us a lot of tools and applications that you can buy lifetime access. Let's see this LeadRocks, which is basically B2B contact database with more than 100 million records, emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn's for $80. I mean, for $80, would you not buy it? This is absolutely amazing. And yeah, this AppSumo is basically giving away a lot of like WhatsApp widget, Flowlens, and a lot of other applications that you can use for searching leads. This is absolutely amazing. Yeah, so if you're interested in more ways with searching for leads, I am sharing actionable steps in my own community, which I just put a link in the description. It's absolutely free, and we talk about high-level selling websites, selling basically systems to companies, and how to make money online with smart systems and AI.